I've already crashed here.
Fast.
Don't make us wrap another
The
trail.
Metapoa.
Padding.
Dude, I'm not going out on the last run. Hey, yo, what's up? This is Matt. I'm here chilling with my boys from New Zealand mountain biking. We're at the top of Eagle vs. Shark. It's a well-known trail around the mountain biking community, not only locally, but around the world. The thing about this trail is, it is a hand-built trail, but it feels very machine-built.
Oh.
And because you're so high, and you get a lot of elevation, you get a lot of speed. So it's one you got to take your time going down, but make sure you have some fun, whip the trails, do some roosting, and hit the jumps, man. Send it.
Yeah, boy! No.
He also told 6 kids at a skate park he was Aaron. I don't think any of this shit matters. I didn't see him tagged in a photo, bro.
Yeah.
These are far, far, far from the biggest lies I've told.
Bro, I'm gonna follow standard number 1.
That is never good.
It's good. It's so good. My brakes aren't working. We'll be right. Up. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's the last guy that hit that tree.
That's where it was?
Is that the tree a lot of people hit?
It's one of them, yeah. You're so in control, Matt. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hold it together, yeah, boy. Caterpillar.
Fast trail, so make sure to not go fast.
Fast trail, don't go fast.
Did I say that?
I think that was Mike's quote.
You haven't passed me yet?
Nah, dude, I'm good.
So wet. Right to the bottom, to the picnic table. Oh yeah. Yeah, bunny hop up next to the picnic table. You got this, you got this. Yeah, boy. Oh. So smooth. So good, so good. Chur. Woo! That's what I love about this place, is when it rains it gets grippier. And then all those bloody thistles grow. So many thistles.
so bad.
It's, yeah, it's not good. Not good at all. Back in the trees. I reckon these little bits are a little bit awkward.
This ball, dude, I don't know where the fucking going.
Nearly at the bottom. Yeah, boy. I reckon this is the most tiring bit. You actually have to do something. And with a headwind. Phew. Perfect timing. There's the van. Whee.
Looks like an uphill flat.
Yeah. Rotorua, that other one comes in just here on our left. Yeah. Oh, feels like a pleasant day again. That's good.
We're all wet. There's less spiky bushes this time. Gotta watch out for them.
Yeah. Yeah, imagine Andrew with his 800 bars.
Fuck, dude.
Hoi. Nice. Good one. Smooth.